So today's discussion is going to be centered around primarily mental disorder or mental diseases, specifically bipolar, because
taking a cross-disciplinary, a multidisciplinary, a transdisciplinary, and also an interdisciplinary approach to mental disorder.
Applied linguistics, sociolinguistics, psycholinguistics, and the philosophical aspect of linguistics.
I studied a lot of different. I study a lot of different areas, academic areas, primarily.
The acronym of sort of peculiarity.
I write, compose, arrange, transpose, I have a fundamental understanding
of incongruity, where they sort of merge all these incompatibilities and creates a sort of...
I think it's your nickname, maybe it's your nickname or your stage name is Mr. Pregnant.
Yes, sir.
Is it?